guys, welcome back to Cooking with Diska. So in this video, before we get to the cooking, I would like to thank all of you who already subscribed my channel, like, comment and share my video. Thank you guys so much for all your support. And if you first time to come to my channel, please enjoy and then I hope you like my video. So for today's recipe, we're going to cook Sop Buntut. Sop Buntut is a clear soup, but very rich in taste, also have umami flavor, come from the oxtail, and is very comforting food. And also this one is one of my husband's favorite food. Oh yeah, and also one of my subscriber Dewi, she's requesting me to cook this Sop Buntut. Okay, let's do this. For today's equipment, I'm going to use press cooker and pot because oxtail meat is quite tough. It takes 2 to 3 hours to cook the oxtail meat with the normal pot. But when you cook it in the press cooker, it only takes like about 30 minutes to soften the meat. So today, I'm going to use the press cooker to soften the meat. For the ingredient today, we have oxtail, sliced onion, chopped garlic, ginger, potato, carrot, salt, sugar and pepper for taste, a little bit oil for sauté, and for the herbs we have cinnamon stick, nutmeg powder, star anise, cardamom pods and clove. And also we have celery stalk. Usually in here we have the big one. I just cut it from my garden. So this is Indonesian celery stick. It's very small, isn't it? But it tastes the same and give a same flavor. And I also like to put the leaf because I like the strong flavor from the celery. And last but not least, we have water. Add the water to press cooker. Just add a little bit under the max sign. And we put our oxtail. Cover. And turn on the heat to high heat. We're going to boil the oxtail about roughly 30 minutes, but you count it when the press cooker making a hissing voice like zzz, then you start counting from then. So after 30 minutes, we turn off the heat and don't open the lid straight away. We have to wait until the hissing sound disappears and the hot steaming is gone. Then we can open the lid. The lid is ready to open now. I'm going to take out the meat. I will not use this soup as a broth because I'm going to throw it away. Because the purpose of me to doing this, because I want to clean the dirt from the oxtail, and the oxtail meat is very oily. So I want my soup more clear and more healthier. So I'm gonna use another water to mix the rest of the ingredients. The next step is we're going to saute our ingredients. Turn on the heat to medium heat. Add oil. Add onion. Garlic. We saute until caramelized. Add our spices. Add ginger. Add the celery. Carrot. Potato. Just mix well together. We add the oxtail meat. Pour the water. And we boil until the carrot and potato is cooked. While we're waiting for our soup to get boiled at the back, I'm going to make something else. So beside the oxtail soup and the oxtail inside the soup, you also can serve the oxtail fried. So it's fried oxtail, or in Indonesia is buntut goreng. So this is usually served the oxtail fried and the oxtail soup together with rice. So let's make it. It's very easy and simple recipe. We only need oxtail already boiled and soft, pan flour, pepper, and oyster sauce. Just put all the ingredients to the mixing bowl. Mix well. You also need oil for fried. Turn on the heat to medium. Oil. We're going to deep fry the oxtail, so we need quite a lot of oil. We deep fry the oxtail until golden brown. Turn off the stove and we strain the oxtail. When the water is boiled, we put our salt, pepper, and sugar for taste. It's looking nice. We'll taste it. It's yum. It's ready to put in our serving bowl. We add tomato. And spring onion as condiment. And I also like to put fried shallot. This is it guys, our sop buntut and buntut goreng is ready. It's look really nice, isn't it? Let's dig in. The meat is so soft and it's pulling out all of from the bone, so it's easier for us to eat. It's nice. The bone is very soft and the broth is rich, really rich in taste. Let's try the buntut goreng or fried oxtail. This is nice also. This is give you different texture. I forgot the sambal guys. This is the sambal for soup that I made in my last video. So you can use this for the sop buntut as well. Please check out my other video. Yeah, this is perfect now. Since this is my husband's favorite food, so I guess I'm going to ask him to come and taste my cooking. What do you think? He's always behind camera. Sini ya. Come on.
Hello. So this is the oxtail soup?
Yes.
I'll try it. I'll try the soup first.
Enak nggak?
Mantul kan?
Peres banget.
I'll try the deep fried one.
Nice. Yeah.
Delicious.
Sometimes you can also put the soup on the rice. I like it this way as well. You like it this way too?
Yeah,
right?
I prefer the deep fried one because I got the crispiness in there. Let me try another one.
Are you hungry?
I think so. Trust me, very nice. She's a good cook.
Okay. No, don't go anywhere.
What?
You know, since you're here, you have to closing for me.
Okay.
Come on.
Alright guys, that's it for this video today. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And
Give
if you want, yeah, of course, like, thumbs up. And if you want to know what's the full recipe, you can check in the description. I mean,
Description box.
description box. That's it.
Yeah.
Description box. And please share it. Thank you very much and see you on the next video. Bye bye.